Hey, welcome to my channel, Miss Lola's Hair and More. I just left my sewing room after making a hair unit for a client, and now I've got my hair up under my chef's cap, my apron on, and I'm ready to do some cooking. My most favorite thing to do along with making wigs and hair units. What I'm going to show you today is how to make hamburger steaks. Yum, yum, yum. It's going to be quick and easy. And what I do is I make a huge amount of hamburger steaks and then I put them in the freezer. When I'm ready to cook them, all I have to do is go into the freezer, take out what I need, and cook and serve. Really, really easy. Stay tuned. Don't go away. You're going to enjoy this recipe, and thank you so much for tuning in. I am using 3 pounds of ground beef because I prepare a lot of portions at one time. You can adjust your ingredients for how many pounds that you are going to be cooking. Just use 1/3 of what I'm using. Right now, for example, if you're doing 1 pound of ground beef, you want to use 1 egg. If you're doing 2 pounds of ground beef, use 2 eggs. I'm using 4 eggs for 3 pounds of ground beef because I love eggs. Tender and juicy. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.